Okay, this is the second video about Eclipse. I have created a package and I will show you how to create a program with Eclipse. So first program, new. You could create a package, class, interface, but I want to create a program. So other ABAP object repository. You have a lot of things you could create. And we are speaking about code. So code composer, it's source code library. And there is program. So my program will be something simple. So I will create a new request. So you see, you don't need to create a request and after to use it. Obviously, if you use Charm, it is not the same, but you could create directly the transport request or the task with Eclipse. So I don't know, maybe cell demo output, display text, hello world. Very complex program. So I have activated, and now if I want to test it, I just need to run it or to press F8. I press F8, Eclipse open a key inside a window of Eclipse and give me the output. That's all. Oh, funny bug. Now I will create a class without interface, just for an example. ABAP class. So Z Eclipse test 2. Okay. So I have a class and I will create stupid things, obviously. Method, do it one, returning success. I'm a pull. So I will create two. It's a stupid name, but I don't care. I will importing action type string value one type integer value two type integer. If I press shift 1, it will be exactly the same as in ABAP is to format the code. So it align everything. So now I could do something like that. I will start simple case action and case. So it will be a result type is taker case action when add result equal value 1 plus value 2. So now imagine my program is very big and I don't want to have this inside this method because I want to obviously have clean code. So I want to extract this and to create a method for this particular part of code. That means I need to create in private section a method called addition, and in this method I will do the addition. In Eclipse you don't need to do everything manually. You just have to right click and go to source code and to do an extract method. So Eclipse is proposing me to create addition. Why? It's because I have put a comment with this name. So by default, it will take the comment and try to create a name. So I will create addition. By default, it proposes me as private. I will use private. And it catch me most of my expected parameter. So I just finish. I format the text. It doesn't want to format. Source code format. So now there is addition and I do directly the action. And I have created a method with my comment and addition. Imagine, I don't know, this name of method is too stupid. I want to change everywhere it has been used. It's something really difficult to do in the subguy, and it's something you really need to do it a lot of time when you do clean code because you lost a lot of time to rename all the time. So here, right click. Sorry, it's my macOS. So rename, save. So it will be do calculation. And now you have renamed do calculation, you have renamed do calculation. And if I use this class in other part, in other program, in other class, you have to do the change at the same times. Now I will show you something, maybe it's the most interesting part. It's the quick help. So here I spoke last time about the view, and in the view you could add with the menu window, show view. There's a lot of things. I go to other, in ABAP part, and I have the quick assist. Here is the quick assist. Quick assist will always propose you something to do when you select something. For example, I have put a text add for my condition, but a lot of time in a lot of company, we expect to not put text hard coded. You need to create the text in, for example, in a text pool, or you need to create a local variable. Quick fix, quick assist will propose you to do this directly. For example, it proposes you the text, the no text pragma, that will prevent you to have an ATC error saying, hey, you put hard text. Or you could create a local variable. So now I have a data named add type string value, and there is already the pragma. I could move this directly in the public section. So you see, you could do a lot of things, and each time Quick Assist will propose you something. I don't know, if you select case, it will propose something. If you select action, you could rename action, you could extract as a variable. You could do a lot of things. It's very interesting to see Quick Assist. Sometimes it proposes you to create exception. You need to check a lot of time these things, this view. I think one of the most interesting things with Eclipse is the CTRL space. So control space, it will give you the name of the method. It will give you the parameters, the type of the parameters. So you have more or less something like that in SCAT, but it's not so powerful. For example, if I create another method, again, stupid title, now I do my code. I just press right method, and now I press control space. Automatically, he will propose me the name do another action, because he know I have created a declaration of this method, but I don't do an implementation. Obviously, he proposed me also the information. And if I go to inside the code, and I do, for example, do another action, do calculation, it will propose me a lot of things. In fact, it's very powerful. There is another tool very useful. It's CTRL Shift L. With CTRL Shift L, you will have all the shortcuts you could use. There's a lot. If someone wants to check everything, but you have everything here. That's all for the second video, and maybe I will prepare a third video. See you, bye!